Here we have question number 12 on the January 2017 Algebra 2 Common Core Regents. And this is an intersection question of two functions. Now, a lot of the time, we would actually recommend doing these by hand because a lot of the time it's actually quicker. But in this case, this is pretty much going to be a calculator question. And the reason for that is we should see pretty quickly here that all of the answers are decimal points, and the question asks for approximating the point of intersection. So it definitely appears as though it's not going to be something that will be easy to do by hand. So let's take out our graphing calculator. And we will go to y equals, and I have already put in the two functions. So let's graph them. And we should see that the one point of intersection appears to be right about here, meaning our x value is definitely negative. So we can go ahead and scrap the two answers where the x value is positive. It's definitely not 3 or 4. And here we have two x values that are both negative 0.9, and the y values are very, very close. So let's zoom in, and let's see if we can get a better view. That's certainly a better view, but it still doesn't really tell us whether that's 1.8 or 1.9. So what we want to do is use the calculator's intersection tool. And to do that, we're going to hit second, trace, which gives us the calc function or the calculate function. And we're going to hit intersect. And the calculator is pretty good at automatically figuring out which curves you mean. So just hit enter for the first curve, enter for the second curve, and the guess is pretty much completely irrelevant here. So you hit enter one more time, and we've got our values. So we have negative 0.92692 and 1.863795. Now 1.86, so we have 0.926, negative 0.926, and 1.863. So here, we need to recognize how to round this, and 1.863, because this digit is above a 5, we'll round to 1.9. And that answer is 2. There's absolutely no reason to be doing this question by hand at any point. It becomes incredibly difficult algebraically. We do have access to the graphing calculator, so by all means use it, and use the intersection tool that is given to you.